Hello students, so let us find out the expression for potential due to a conducting sphere. Okay, so as you know, in case of conducting sphere, the charge will be distributed on the surface. Let us consider a conducting sphere of radius r and charge q. Now let us find out the expression for potential. So let P be any point at a distance x from the center of the sphere. Suppose you need a potential at a point, that point is P, which is at a distance x from the center. Now the point may be inside the sphere, like this. I am denoting as point P1. Suppose this point may be inside the sphere, may be on the surface, may be outside the sphere. There are three possibilities. Maybe the point lie inside the sphere, or on the surface of the sphere, or outside the sphere. Let P that point which is at a distance x from the center of the sphere. Now the formula for potential Q equal V equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r, and this formula is valid till x is less than equal to r. X is less than r means it indicates the point should lie inside, so that means the formula is satisfied for any point inside the sphere, and equal to r means as well as on the surface. Okay, so this point is valid for any point inside the sphere as well as on the surface. Now the next formula, V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 x. This formula is valid for x is greater than equal to r. So x is equal to r means that is also on the surface, and greater than r means that is outside the surface. Okay. So what we conclude? We conclude the potential at all points inside the sphere as well as on the surface are same. हर पॉइंट्स, जितने सारे पॉइंट्स होंगे, जितने सारे ऐसे पॉइंट्स होंगे पोटेंशियल स्फीयर के अंदर और सरफेस पे भी, सारे के सारे पॉइंट पे एक ही पोटेंशियल है, दैट इज V इज इक्वल टू Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r. ना जब सरफेस के बाहर जाओगे तब स्फीयर विल बिहेव एज ए पॉइंट चार्ज, स्फीयर विल बिहेव एज ए point charge, and the potential at a distance x will be Q by x or Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 x. तो अगर ग्राफ की बात करें तो ध्यान से देखिए, आपको पता होगा कि पोटेंशियल सेंटर से सरफेस तक एक ही वैल्यू होगा, यहां तक मैक्सिमम होगा, फिर पॉइंट चार्ज जैसा बिहेव करेगा. तो अगर वैल्यू की बात करें तो ये हो जाएगा आपका के क्यू बाई आर, आर मतलब रेडियस, और ये जो डिक्रीज होगा 1 बाई एक्स बिहेव एज पॉइंट चार्ज, और जो डिस्टेंस होगा सेंटर से सरफेस तक एक्स इज इक्वल टू आर. ध्यान से देखिए, सेंटर से सरफेस तक एक ही वैल्यू होगा, दैट इज के क्यू बाई आर. सरफेस